Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, today we're going to talk about two very big awards that Jamaica won at for tourism. There are some tourism function being held in the Middle East. I think it's Dubai, and all the world's people from all over the world are there because this is one of the biggest tourism events in the world. And Jamaica won the award for best cruise destination in the world. And they won the award for best family destination in the world. Not just the Caribbean, the world. Now, Jamaica has the Falmouth cruise ship here. First world kind of facility. It's a joint venture with Royal Caribbean Cruise Line. So their ships come there, and basically Royal Caribbean is one of the leaders in the cruise ship industry. So they know how to build a port. They know what a port must look like. And Jamaica has the Falmouth Harbor. It has all these attractions that will attract people. So it was a perfect combination. Perfect. So we have two other cruise ship ports as well, one in Montego Bay and one in Ocho Rios. But none of those are at the level of the Falmouth cruise ship here. It's world class. Actually, the pier in Ocho Rios needs to be remodeled basically to look more like the Falmouth cruise ship here. And I'm not sure what the one in Montego Bay looks like. No, they have also, there's been discussion about building a cruise ship here in other parts of Jamaica. Black River and Portland are two places that you hear a lot. But they don't have piers now, it's just those three. But I suspect we won the award for the Falmouth, because it is Falmouth cruise ship pier is one of the top cruise ship piers in the world. It has won numerous awards. I can't remember ever hearing of Ocho Rios or Montego Bay's pier winning awards for cruise destination or anything, but I could be wrong. So if anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. Now, in terms of tourism, Jamaica is one of the leaders in the Caribbean. Now, in terms of arrivals through our airport, we're number 3 behind Puerto Rico, which is a US state or territory, and the Dominican Republic, which has a population of probably 4 times that of Jamaica. But our airport, the Sangster International Airport, that is where 85% of all the tourists come into Jamaica. And do you know more people go through that airport than live in Jamaica? That 5 million people are going to pass through that airport this year. And the Jamaican population is 3 million. So that will give you an idea of just how many tourists come into Jamaica. And the tourism product in Jamaica is well put together. It's streamlined, it's an efficient operation. We have so many hotels that are booked out, and you have so many more hotels that are under construction, and the government is fixing up the infrastructure on the north coast so that you can get into there, expanding the airport so you can get into Jamaica easily and quickly, efficiently. Then you can get to your destination via the highways easily and quickly. And this kind of development goes hand in hand because more hotels are being built, the roads are being expanded, the infrastructure is being upgraded. So Jamaica deserves to win these awards. They have definitely put together a very nice tourist package. Now they won it for best family destination. So now the top hotel in Jamaica, the top hotels I should say, are, some of them are not for children. Like Sandals is not a children's resort. Rio has a lot of locations that don't allow children. I don't think Secrets allow children. So that just shows you how it's not the top resorts that are the family resorts. We have hotels nicer than the ones that families stay at. That's what I'm trying to say. But we did win it. We have our beaches is a family resort. There's one over in Bosco Bell. Rio has hotels that children can stay at. And you have, I think Rio Ocho Rios has a lot of the hotels like Royalton. They have water parks, top of the line hotels. Very, very well put together package. And we have to give credit. Now guys, we're not a political channel, but we have to give a shout out to the Minister of Tourism. He is doing an excellent job. One, for winning all these awards. And Jamaica is so big in the tourism market basically that he presented awards. That's how big Jamaica is. Like, you know, Jamaica is very popular in the track and field. It's just like that. That's how big Jamaica is when it comes on to tourism. Take on the world and win. So, job well done to the Ministry of Tourism, I should say, because it's a team effort for winning those awards and, you know, flying the Jamaican flag high. Well done, and a lot more is coming because there's so many more hotels under construction. If you drive from Ocho Rios to Montego Bay, actually not even Montego, to Negril, along the coast, there are so many developments. Now the largest hotel in Jamaica is actually under construction, which is the Princess Resort, 2,000 rooms. Now and we have hotels that, because there are facilities or that have more than 2,000 rooms. Some have 3,000, but they break them up into 3 different hotels. So you might have Hotel A, B, and C, but they are all under 3 different names because one is probably family, one is ultra all-inclusive, and one is adults only. So it's not just one hotel. But the Princess Resorts is one hotel, 2,000 rooms. So Jamaica is definitely getting there. So, guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about Jamaica winning these awards. And we are driving on Washington Boulevard. We're actually driving out of the city of Kingston today. Alright, guys, have a good day.